Here's a really simple tutorial just to show you how you can change your default web browser in Windows 10 if you're sick of using Microsoft Edge. If you want to switch it to Google Chrome or Mozilla or whatever browser you prefer. It's pretty simple. So you just go to your Start menu, click on Settings, and then from there we're going to go to where it says Apps here, this icon. Uninstall defaults, optional features. Click that. And then from there, we're going to go over to the left-hand menu over here, and where it says Default Apps, second one down, click that. And then we're just going to scroll down till we get to Web Browser. And you see where it says Microsoft Edge, click that. And it's going to give you some options. I'm going to change my default to Google Chrome, but as you can see, if you want, you can use Internet Explorer. If you have Opera installed, or Mozilla, or Brave, or any other web browser, you'll be able to switch to that right here. So just I'll click Chrome, and it's going to give you a warning, and you just say switch anyways if you do want to switch from Edge. And there you go. That simple. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.